Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick that might help you recover a View Once photo on WhatsApp, even after you've already viewed it. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the chat where you received the View Once photo. Tap on the photo to view it one time, as usual. Now, once you've seen it and go back, you'll notice that you can't open it again. The message will say photo expired or it just disappears. But here's what you can try next. Tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap Storage and Data, then select Manage Storage. Now scroll and tap on the chat where you received the photo. Sometimes the photo might still be stored in the Media section temporarily. If it's there, tap to open it, and just like that, you might be able to view it again. Please note, this method may not work in all cases, especially if WhatsApp has already deleted the file from local storage. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.